guys, how are we doing today? Today we're gonna get the old Nissan cleaned up because it is very dirty. I've neglected to wash it. Looks pretty rough right now. We'll get the thing washed up and then I'll clue y'all in on what we're doing with it and what happened to it. First things first, let's get the old pressure washer drug out here. Power stroke. It's been a good little pressure washer though, come from Walmart, 3100 PSI. Let's get the thing hooked up though. Get our water hooked up here, get her going. Alright guys, so that's got it all washed up and cleaned up. It probably hasn't had a bath in a good year. But that's got the thing all cleaned up. Now let's get into why it's in the shape it's in. So first off, of course, you can see it don't have a bed. The bed is actually, I walk over here, I've actually got all the parts to it that I've taken off. So you can see here, I've got all the parts laying in the weeds. There's the fender off of it, there's the other fender, the tailgate. Had a brush guard on it that I may try to straighten out, we'll see. And the bumper, everything else. Now I'll cut to getting over here at the bed. But the bed, it's plumb shot. The bed liner's plumb fell through it. The bed is no good. So, with that being said, the plans I have for this truck, I'm really tempted to do my own custom bumper on the front of it. I may do it and I might not, but I'm leaning towards it. So custom bumper, I want to build a flatbed for it. I've always wanted a little flatbed truck just to beat around in. That's all this is a little beater truck. But it's a 99 Nissan Frontier, got 3.3 5-speed. The truck originally started out just a year into owning it. It was my dad's truck. He bought it a year old. The reason it's in the condition it's in right now, my dad ended up selling it to my brother-in-law. My brother-in-law fell asleep one morning to work and he ended up in a cow field. He tore down a good 30-yard fence, but ended up doing all the cosmetic damage. The hood, brush guard went into the hood right here, but a bug shield will cover that. It ended up bending the wheels. These are some wheels that we had on it previously, but I had to put a ball joint in it. It broke the ball joint. So ball joint and cosmetics basically. The cab, it's in great shape. But plan is build a flatbed for it. As you've seen earlier, I do need to weld the frame up. I ended up buying this truck off my brother-in-law for 200 bucks. That's all I've got in it right now. Well, other than tires, I paid 50 bucks for the tires. They are used tires. It's 31 1050s. But I have 250 bucks in the truck as it sits. So it's gonna be a cheap little budget build truck. We'll see y'all. Subscribe to the channel and we'll have a whole lot more to come. We'll see y'all now. Have a good one.